So last night I was reminding the brothers and sisters who were here of an incident. Hazrat Ibn Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu, and this is narrated in Ibn Majah and Abu Dawood, etc. Once he was going on the road in the village, and he saw a Bedouin, and they term a Bedouin as a villager, not the high-tech mayor and commissioner of the city or the high-tech wealthy businessman in town. So when he saw this man, this old man, he got off his, well, some people just say it was a donkey, it was a camel, it was a horse, they couldn't specify, or whatever. Let's say it's a camel. He jumped off his conveyance or the animal, got down, took his turban, put it on that old villager's head, right? And he put the man on the camel to sit. And the people around was like, Ibn Umar, he is the son of Hazrat Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu. He was a powerful Sahaba, powerful leader, intelligent, intellectual person. A lot of hadith that you read, you hear in Ibn Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu. Ibn Umar radiallahu. So like, but why did you have to do all of that? Take your turban and put it on his head? So who is he? What is he that you have got to do that? And you walk and put him on top? He said, that was the friend of my father. Yeah, his father, Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu, had passed away. His father had passed away. He got off the camel, put his turban on the head of a friend of his father. Today we don't even do that for a father. Yeah, see what lesson we're learning here? How to respect even the friend of your father. What about the respect for the father and the mother? But again, the isolation that we want to live in this life and this time keeps us away even from parents. Forget about brothers and sisters. Forget about aunts and uncles. And as I was reminding them last night on the same tone, a man once went to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and he said, Ya Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I've committed a wrong. I made a mistake. I did a wrong. How could I get some quick forgiveness? Get some quick maghfirah, forgiveness from Allah for this wrong that I have done. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam told him to do khidmat for your mother. What is khidmat? Be nice to your mother. Go and, not just be nice, go and find good things to do for her. Be nice, be kind, try to make her happy. Do things, let her laugh, let her pray, make dua for you. Make her happy, and that will bring forgiveness for you. The man said, well, my mother has passed away. He said, do you have your mother's sister alive? He said, yes. He said, go. Could you imagine that? A mother's sister will be a means of forgiveness? See? What am I trying to say? That Bi'idhnillah, today we have cut ties with all these blood ties. We have missed the point because we think we are successful. I have become this. I'm rich. I'm powerful. I'm the mayor. I'm the politician. I'm the businessman. I got everything. I don't need anybody. So we cut ties with our blood ties, with our friends, our relatives. Very un-Islamic. Here we see here forgiveness comes, and then some of us beating our heads on the ground here. Listen, this ain't no Nancy story. I have people who beat their heads right here, and I don't call name, but I want to use proper references so you don't think I'm wasting your time. I have people who pray Salah here and beat their heads 5 times a day, and the brother come and say, Sheikh, you know the brother who prays there all the time? He robbed me. He took all the properties of our parents and he took all. I'm like, oh Allah. Kidding. He says, Sheikh, could you talk to him? I'm like, me? You are his blood ties. One father and mother. And he robbed you. He's going to kill me? Huh? But I want to share something with you. I'm talking to people who pray. Yeah. Parents' property, they took, hijacked, and didn't share it for the rest of the brothers and sisters. So those of you who commit that crime, that is serious consequences in the akhirah. Serious consequences in the akhirah. And I don't want to get into that. That's a different khutbah. Serious consequences. You owe the rest of your brothers and sisters your rights, sir. Big debts. But that's a different topic. Guys must remind me.